describing when it comes near the earth. So the chariot must be slowed, or in earth thick atmosphere it shall perish. Anzû to Enki declared. So they are nearing earth.
Talking about the gravity.
Around earth companion, the moon, make slowing circles. Ea to him suggested.
So Anzû is the one who stole.
This is too slow.
The so-called Ark of Covenant, or Tablets of Destiny.
The moon by the vanquishing Nibiru in the celestial battle. It prostrate and scared was lying. Having the chariot thus slowed down toward the seventh planet, Anzû, the chariot directed. So once, twice the earth's globe he made. You see, people? Once, twice the earth's globe he made. The chariot circle. So the spaceship is going around the earth 2 times, and around the earth, around the globe. It is not a flat earth. Ever lose it to the firm land, lowered it. It is going down. Snow hid was 2/3 of the planet. The North Pole and the South Pole was white color with snow. Dark hood was its middle in the tropical
Even
region.
they found water on Mars.
Earth.
On Mars. NASA found water on Mars.
From the side.
I will post a link. So that was known.
From Alalo they were searching.
450,000 years ago by the Anunnaki.
So we go
when they came to Earth, they went by Mars, planet Mars.
This is called the Babylonian.
This is very important, but it's very sensitive.
So we know that Sumerians
people will maybe I will lose subscribers because I'm claiming the Old Testament is a flat Earth book.
Showing
majorly taken from the Babylonian stuff, because Marduk,
so this is the map of
this is the flat Earth.
Flat Earth.
First flat Earth
Babylon,
ever.
In Babylon, they believed in flat Earth.
First flat Earth map ever drawn.
The rivers in Iraq, South Iraq, and we see all this is water. So this is the Earth, supposed to be the Earth, and it's water all around.
Resembles United Nations flag.
This is very old. Then we read here. This is the Babylonian view of the cosmos. You see, Earth is here, and it is water all around. So you don't have Nibiru here. Nibiru is, you see, it's water, beneath, over, everywhere, and the 3 heavens, the three layers of. So this is the Enuma Elish, tablet 1 on high. The sky was not named, and the earth beneath did not yet bear a name, and the primeval Apsu who begat them, and cows, Tiamat, the mother of them both. Then waters were mingled together, so and no field was formed. So the waters, the fresh and the salt water, Apsu and his wife Tiamat, they created the gods. When the Testament Bible. Many will not like this truth, but the flat earth community was created to debunk Nibiru, and they have this inspiration from the Bible, from the Old Testament, because the Old Testament is describing the story of Tiamat being killed by Marduk, and I told you that Marduk and Baal are one and the same, and also Yahweh,
so
the God of
Marduk, he doesn't want to
the God in the Old Testament Bible
to involve Nibiru in the story killing Tiamat.
Marduk, king of the gods, and Tiamat, the goddess of the Marduk, and Baal defeat her, and Baal cleaves her body.
Because he is not king on Nibiru. If he was king on Nibiru, he would include it. The story of Nibiru hitting Tiamat
flat earth
many years ago, and separating the moon, Kingu, from the earth,
then we read here
from Tiamat. So that's why Marduk, he does not want Nibiru to be mentioned, and this restriction is still practiced until today. So we have some difficulties with Nibiru community, convincing people, especially who believe in the Bible, Old Testament, about Nibiru. Because if Marduk was king on Nibiru, he would, everybody would run around and believe in Nibiru and believe in the throne of God. But because Marduk is not king on Nibiru, Nibiru is not to be mentioned. But we have some evidence, and when we have evidence, we can talk freely about Nibiru. So now the web cameras cannot lie.
You should know the source.
People who saw this cannot lie. They saw it. They have many people have seen Nibiru now. By their own naked eyes, like me, I did see it, and I posted the video about it. So this is for truth. This is we worship God of truth. We don't lie. We